We learn just about everything that goes into building a house. So we do drywall, we do roofing, we do siding. So they get all sorts of skills. They learn how to use all the power tools. We get certified in all the different power tools, so they can use just about every tool in here. We don't really focus on one trade. We do all the different trades, so they come out of here with a broad idea of just about every trade that goes into construction.
I chose my career tech major because it's something you can always fall back on. The trades are always looking for more work.
Everybody gains skills in here, so it's just a matter of practicing and learning. Not everybody's going to go out into the workforce and become a master carpenter, right? But it's the skills that they have that they learn in here that they can use throughout their life. Something they can always fall back on, or if you own a house, it's something you can always use.
We learn a lot of certifications, starting with safety. We actually, just about a week ago, we got certified in first aid and CPR. Junior year, we got certified in OSHA. We got 10-hour OSHA cards. I kind of like the freedom Mr. Mason gives us. Because I mean, everything we do, like when it comes to designing our houses, our roofs, and everything we want to do, he gives us the basis of how to complete and how to design it, and then he sets us free. We have a lot of freedom when it comes to that stuff. That's what I like about this class.
In any of the trades, the students come out of the school are going to be heads and tails above anybody else. They know how to use all the tools. They know how the houses are built, so they've got a lot of knowledge there, so they can go straight into the workforce. Lots of kids that go straight into an apprenticeship with the different unions, or they can go straight into college. Coming out of here, you can get into construction management degrees, architecture degrees, engineering degrees. So there's lots of different pathways that you can find.